Hey, what is up guys? Today we're going to take a look at how we can install Python on a Mac. So the first thing you want to do is go into Google and type in Python download. We're going to go to this first link at python.org and you can download the latest version of Python right here. By the way, if you want a previous version, you can just scroll down here and have a look at these older versions and download any one of these that you'd like. Alright, so now that it's downloaded, let's run it. Continue. Run through these steps. Alright, now that that's done installing, what we can do, go ahead and close this. I'm going to open up my IDE. You can open up any terminal that you'd like and type in Python 3. And if it opens up something like this, then you know that Python's installed. The other thing we can do is create a new file. I'll call it test.py. And we can see if we can run this. I'm just going to type in print hello world. So let's see if we can run this. There we go. Hello world. Now you have Python installed. Congratulations. If you got any value from this, feel free to drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.